NCDC has developed a well-organized module, and it gives a harmonious development to the student, and it raises the positive quality of the student's life too.
After completing this course, we got lot of abilities. We have lot of skills, but we are not bothered about that. But after this course, we understood what are the things we have, and we can use that. We utilize that. I utilize in my life, and I feel that I am happy with that, and I'm confident I can lead a beautiful life in my profession and also in my personal life.
Actually, our classroom system, it's a participatory system. We are sharing and giving and taking. That is our policy, because here there's no separate teacher and separate student. There's no separation between teacher and student.
I have completed my PG Diploma in International Montessori Teachers Training from NCDC Ernakulam Center. This course gives us training for teaching as well as presentation skills, interview skills, personality development skills, etc. They always gives importance for extracurricular activities, and they helps improve our inborn talents.
There are different kinds of course in which the Montessori training is given. All the courses the students can, any course the students can opt for, and the training is given accordingly. And rest all the criteria that is mentioned in our prospectus, that is their personality, their smartness, everything is taken care through the WhatsApp group itself, and we have experienced a very, very good result.
It was a nice experience, and I can talk. Before that, I just know that language, and now after this course I can handle that language very fluently, and I got more freedom, and also I got more confidence to speak that language.
First, we are giving training for spoken English. We want to improve our fluency level first, and after that only we can move to our courses. After making you fluent in English, we are moving to our classes. That's why you can improve your level again and again. And throughout the academic year, we are following our classes in English itself. That's why it should be a great plus point for you to get a job in some places.
I'm a NCDC student, and when I joined NCDC, initially I was a little doubtful because this training involved a lot of group activities, and I was wondering whether we students who come from different parts of the globe will be able to coordinate with each other and complete the group activities. But our facilitator, she was very helpful and supportive, and she made things really easy for us. A WhatsApp group was created, and we all started interacting with each other, became good friends, and started helping each other with the theory and practical works. And we were really happy with the kind of training we were provided, and all of us were able to complete the training very successfully.
I was working with Air India for 7 years, and when I was working over there, I used to hear about this Montessori method so long. Like when the people goes from one place to another, they used to say about many Montessori methods. So I was thinking, what is this Montessori method? So when I was going through the net, I just came to the center NCDC, which is there in the Calicut. Since my hometown is in Calicut, I decided I'll just go to Montessori school, like that is this NCDC, and see what it is happening over here. So my ambition is actually not to become a teacher, but I just want to know what is happening in the Montessori, how a mother can help a kid to walk, to learn something, to help in mathematics. And for that we are having so many apparatus here in our class, like we are having stairs, brown stairs, pink towers, and which is very feasible and which is very loving to the all kids because it is with different colors. So I think this is an opportunity where not only teachers can come up, but also many business magnates can be emerged from this NCDC center.
मुझे पहले से ही टीचर बनने का शौक था, तो मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में इश्तिहार देखा और मुझे ट्रेनिंग मिला और नौकरी भी मिल गई। अब भी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।